Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Almost Together, and today we are going to do something different, and we are going to do facial at home with some ingredients which are easily available. So the first step is washing your face, and it helps to remove all the dirt and all the impurities from your face. So I'm using Himalaya face wash for washing my face. Here I've made my face wet. Now I've taken a coin size of face wash and I'm going to massage on my face like this. Massage it for 2 minutes in circular motions. Do not use face wash on your lips as it can darken your lips. So use it just on your face. So now I'll wash my face with lukewarm water. First step we have done with it, and now we will steam our face with boiling water and lemon. Begin the steam process. Take hot water and add half a lemon and few drops of tea tree oil. Do not add excess tea tree oil cause it is very concentrated. After adding these two things, cover your head with a towel. Make sure the heat does not go either sides of your face and the steam only concentrates on your face. Take this steam for about 5 to 6 minutes. Taking this steam opens our pores and make the process very effective and also cleanses our face deeply. After completing the steam, pat dry your skin with a hanky or towel. Now comes the next step, facial hair removal. To remove our facial hair, we use this facial razor. Make sure you wash this razor every time before use. Before removing your hair, make sure you apply any greasy thing that doesn't make your skin dry. Example, lotion or aloe vera gel. Here I'm using lotion and I've applied all over my face. And then I'm using this razor. Keep your skin stretched tight while you do this method to avoid cuts and complete the process smoothly. It helps not only remove the facial hair but also removes the dead skin and blackheads on your nose, resulting in smooth, glowy and soft skin. Make sure you do small strokes if you're a beginner, and if you do it for like 2-3 times, you will be habituated to this and can do it very easily. Do the same method all over your face. I think you can see the dirt and the facial hairs all over the tissue paper. Now wipe out your face with the same tissue paper but with another side. You can also wash your face, but here I have just wiped out. Next step is exfoliation or scrubbing. Here I have taken a spoonful of coffee and then add few drops of rose water. Exfoliation is very crucial step in cleaning up our face and which keeps our skin healthy and glowy. Coffee in the scrub makes the skin brighter and prevent clogged pores and soften lines. At the same time, rose water is a natural moisturizer which keeps our face or skin hydrated and healthy. Now apply this scrub all over your face and massage it in circular motions for about 5 minutes. Here I've applied the scrub all over my face and then wait for 10 minutes to dry it. Now my scrub is totally dried up. Now use a lemon to remove this scrub. After massaging this for 5 minutes, rinse your face with lukewarm water. And the next step comes our face mask. For this we need an empty bowl And this powder which I have made with the first multani mitti, rice flour, chickpea powder, orange peel powder and neem powder. I've mixed all the stuff and stored it in refrigerator so that it becomes easier whenever I make my face pack. I take 1 spoon of this face pack powder. Then after I add few drops of tea tree oil, just 2-3 drops. Then I add half a spoon of honey in it. Later I pour some raw milk in it. And then mix all the ingredients to make a perfect face pack. Consistency shouldn't be neither too thick or thin. And then apply this pack on your face. And then rinse your face after 10 minutes. Here my skin looks so softer than before. So the next step is massaging your face using aloe vera gel. You can also use body lotion, moisturizer or anything. Take some aloe vera gel on your fingertips and massage it evenly in circular motions as shown in the video. The massaging steps shown in the video are very important to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and it also increases the blood circulation. And the step shown in the video is to prevent double chin. Face massage prevents acne, anti-aging and pimples, and also rejuvenates the skin and helps to manage the scar tissues to make the skin glowing. After completing the massage for about 5 to 6 minutes, use a tissue paper to remove the excess oil or aloe vera gel. It removes the dirt and the dead skin as well. I think you can see the dirt here on the tissue paper. After taking a massage, here I spray some rose water on my face. As I said before that it hydrates my skin and make it healthy and glowing. And then I massage it on all over my face to let it absorb in my skin. And finally we have completed our clean up our facial with this step. Now my skin looks so glowing and healthier than before. You can do this cleanup weekly once for better results. And finally, thanks for watching my channel. Bye bye, take care.